following video demonstrates how to fit and set up an Ekamove patient turning system. Position the Ekamove air chamber system and protective blue cover centrally on the base of the bed. Check the sensors are lying completely flat. There are two sensors which can be detached and repositioned depending on the width of the patient. They can be moved out for wider patients and closer together for slimmer patients. To check you have positioned the air chamber system the right way up on the bed, the writing should be visible on the air bladders and the sensor should be on top. It is important the air chamber encapsulates the patient's shoulders to make sure the top of the system is positioned just under the bottom edge of the pillow. To secure the air chamber system to the bed and prevent lateral movement, there are 4 straps that should be used to attach it to the base of the bed. The straps must be attached to the moving parts of the profiling bed and be directed diagonally towards each other. Use the D-rings to secure. The next step is to attach the air tubes to the lower end of the air chamber system. The left tube should attach to the left air bladder and the right tube to the right air bladder. The air tubes are marked red and blue to denote left and right, and this corresponds with the markings on the control unit. Feed the air tubes and sensor lead through the base of the bed, keeping the cables clear of any moving parts. The control unit fits onto the board at the end of the bed. On the underside of the control panel there are 3 sockets. Attach the sensor lead to the black socket and the air tubes to the blue and red sockets. The power on-off switch is also on the underside of the control panel. The system is now set up and ready for programming. The mattress can now be placed back on the bed at this point. The Ekamove should be plugged in at the mains and then turned on using the switch under the control unit. You will see the software version number and the percentage of memory capacity left on the memory card rolling across the screen. The word empty then runs across the screen and the system will automatically withdraw all air from the air chambers and calibrate the sensors. Calibration takes approximately 5 minutes, but it is important to complete the process. Once calibration is complete, the screen displays the standard factory settings, LNR, meaning left, neutral, right, 20 degrees, 20 mins. Other program options are LR, left and right turns, eliminating neutral, LN, left turn and neutral, eliminating right, RN, right turn and neutral, eliminating left, P5, specialist program for complex needs. Select the program you want to use. To change the angle, press and hold the angle button and use the up and down arrows to select the angle required. To change the dwell time, press and hold the time button and use the up and down arrows to select the time required. When using P5, program the left and right angles and the left and right dwell times individually. To do this, press and hold Program button, and when the L starts flashing, set to the desired angle and dwell time. Once complete, Press the program button again and the N will start flashing and the dwell time should be set. Repeat the procedure for the right side, setting the angle and dwell time. Once selections are made, press stop to save the program. At any point, you can press the time and angle buttons to check the status of the system. For the safety of the patient, there are a number of error codes to alert you that action is required. It's XPOS error, backrest. Just lower the backrest and this will disappear from the screen and the system will restart. For all other error codes, you will be required to restart the device. Information can be found in the user manual. In case of a CPR emergency or to deflate the system quickly, squeeze and release the clips on the air tubes where they connect to the control unit. For some patients, clinicians may prefer to use the leg extension with the standard Ekamove air chamber system. To add the leg extension, firstly disconnect the air tubes from the air chamber system. Use the connectors on the top end of the leg extension kit to attach to the air chamber system and then reconnect the air tubes to the bottom of the leg extension kit. Always ensure the left and right air tubes are connected correctly.